This SOUNDKITS Bluetooth marine radio receiver is built with a rugged marine-grade housing that resists water, sun, and salt exposure, making it reliable on boats and other open-air vehicles. Wireless pairing is quick and stable, and once your phone or tablet has been connected, the unit reconnects automatically within its generous range, so music starts playing with almost no fuss. The integrated radio tuner pulls in both AM and FM stations clearly, and the adjustable equalizer lets you tweak bass, treble, balance, and fader for more satisfying sound on the water. For stored music, the receiver handles a large capacity flash drive and an auxiliary input, and its multiple RCA outputs make it easy to feed external amplifiers and a dedicated subwoofer. Despite its compact gauge style footprint, the stereo delivers strong power across 4 channels, which is plenty for driving a typical set of marine speakers with good volume and clarity. The bright high-definition display and straightforward controls are easy to read and operate even in direct sunlight. And the included mounting hardware and labeled wiring simplify installation in a wide range of vehicles.